I wanted to draw Loki, but a happy accident, as Bob Ross would say, or as your dad would say. And before you go to see the final result, stay to watch the process, which is epic, it's impressive. We're going to use some Prismacolor Junior colors, the cheapest ones, some Faber-Castell Super Soft, which are also among the cheapest, so there are no excuses not to draw. We add some textures to the skin to make it look more realistic, as well as some mini doodles, a few dots with the dark green, and for the highlights just use light green on the eyebrows. Well, with the pencil that's almost finished, we draw some little hairs and then go over them with green to give it that tone. We finish the skin, more or less the lips. What I do to make the shadows is put down a very light layer of black and then go over it with the color on top. I'm loosening up a bit, my hand was really stiff. We continue with the skin, step by step, little by little, nice and easy. We do the same process for all the skin and for the hair too. For the dark parts, we use black first and then green. Remember to subscribe so you can watch more epic videos with Happy Accident. Now we move on to the regular colors. We have to use several layers to get a more or less realistic skin tone, and we add some pores to the skin to make it look more realistic. As redundant as it may sound, the skin, as you can see, is made up of several soft layers, and then we apply the cream color. Now we're going to outline that world map style, and we have the final result. Give it a like and subscribe.